and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can calculate distance on the Google Maps. So there is two ways for it, by the car way or the walking way, or just in the straight line. So the first method, to calculate the distance, just hold the finger anywhere and choose measure distance. Then check the distance to the second place. Pick another point and check. Next one. That's it. But if you want to check the distance by your car or by the walk, just set the place, choose directions, set start direction, and here you can see that you have a car distance and walk distance and bicycle distance. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.